I think all these technologies, machine learning, robotics, augmented reality, they will play a massive part in our daily business as broadcasters. Is it possible to create illusions in a world where technology makes anything possible? Jump. I'm a cyber illusionist, which means I combine magic and technology to create illusions. And I do this by kind of prototyping or forward-thinking these new technologies and make them do things they're not quite ready to do. Advanced algorithms allow these autonomous machines to fly in close formation. Mathematics that can be mistaken for intelligence, and intelligence for personality. They're invitations like conversation starters to a larger audience to join the conversations on what these technologies might do in our lifetime. I gave a demonstration of augmented reality in a system which enabled me to have like these holograms around me, and I imagine that these kind of systems will be very useful for making classroom lessons more memorable. It's kind of a PowerPoint on steroids. How would it be if we would be able to use our gestures to control all that content and have that fly around us? I think now is the time to start dabbling in it and getting your feet wet and figuring out what else these systems might be able to do.